Bread makers are getting more and more popular, and with that comes a whole lot of subpar products on the market that you're best off avoiding. With this in mind, I decided to separate the wheat from the chaff and find out what the best bread makers truly are. Links to each product are in the description box below. The number 7 product on my list of Breadmaker reviews is the KBS Large 17-in-1 bread machine, which I really think is a top-rated bread machine for those on a budget. This versatile bread machine offers a wealth of features for both novice and experienced bakers, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to create delicious homemade bread. The KBS Breadmaker boasts an impressive array of 17 programs, giving you the flexibility to bake everything from classic French bread to whole wheat loaves and even cake. You'll appreciate the convenience of the gluten-free and quick bake settings, perfect for accommodating dietary restrictions or whipping up a fresh loaf in under 90 minutes. One standout feature is the ceramic non-stick pan. Unlike traditional Teflon-coated pans, this healthier option ensures your bread is free from potentially harmful chemicals. The pan's non-stick properties make it a breeze to remove your finished loaf and clean up afterward. The intelligent fruit and nut dispenser is a game changer for those who love add-ins. You won't have to hover over the machine, waiting for the right moment to toss in your favorite ingredients. The dispenser automatically releases them at the optimal time, ensuring even distribution throughout your loaf. With a 15-hour delay timer, you can set up your ingredients before bed and wake up to the aroma of freshly baked bread. The 1-hour keep warm function is perfect for those mornings when you can't get to your loaf right away. The intuitive digital touch panel makes selecting your desired cycle, crust color, and loaf size a breeze. You can choose from 1.5 or 2-pound loaves and opt for light, medium, or dark crusts to suit your preferences. The large viewing window lets you keep an eye on your bread's progress without opening the lid and disrupting the baking process. Taking the number 6 spot on my best bread machine list is the Neretva Breadmaker, which I rate as the best small bread maker on the market today. You'll love the flexibility this Neretva Breadmaker brings to your kitchen. With 20 different program menus, you can experiment with a wide variety of breads and doughs. From basic white to gluten-free and even yogurt, this machine has you covered. You can choose from 3 crust colors to get your bread just the way you like it. The compact design is perfect for smaller kitchens, yet it still produces loaves up to 2 pounds. This size is ideal for families of 5, 6 people, ensuring everyone gets their fill of fresh homemade bread. The non-stick bread pan makes cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort after baking. One of those standout features is the 15-hour delay timer. You can set it up before bed and wake up to the delightful aroma of freshly baked bread. The automatic keep warm function ensures your bread stays toasty for up to an hour after baking. If there's a power interruption, the 15-minute recovery feature helps ensure your bread still turns out great. You'll appreciate the thoughtful accessories included with this bread maker. The package comes with a paddle removal hook, measuring cups and spoons, a kneading paddle, and even a heat-resistant glove. These tools make it easy for you to get started right away, even if you're new to bread making. The Neretva Breadmaker is not just about convenience, it's also about quality. The metal construction and ceramic pan contribute to even heat distribution, resulting in consistently good bread. You can experiment with different recipes from whole wheat to rye, and even try your hand at pizza dough or jams. The versatility of this machine allows you to expand your baking horizons and impress your family and friends with a variety of homemade treats. Checking in at number 5 on my list of Breadmaker reviews is the popular Panasonic bread machine, which I really think is one of the best Breadmaker machines that you can buy. The Panasonic Bread Bakery boasts an innovative double temperature sensor system. This technology detects both internal and room temperatures, automatically adjusting rising and resting times for your dough. You'll achieve consistently excellent results across a wide range of recipes, from hearty whole wheat loaves to delicate brioche. At the heart of this machine is its unique kneading blade. Shaped to handle even the firmest doughs, it works in tandem with specially designed ribs in the bread pan. This combination ensures thorough mixing and kneading, resulting in bread with ideal texture and flavor. You'll be amazed at how well it incorporates hard-to-blend ingredients. One standout feature is the built-in raisin/nut dispenser. This clever addition automatically releases your chosen add-ins at precisely the right moment during the baking cycle. Say goodbye to unevenly distributed fruits or nuts in your loaves. Every slice will be perfectly balanced with your favorite mix-ins. With 20 different settings, this Breadmaker caters to a wide range of baking needs. You'll find programs for classics like whole wheat and sourdough, as well as options for cakes, pizza dough, and even pasta. The inclusion of gluten-free settings makes this machine an excellent choice for those with dietary restrictions. For the adventurous baker, manual time settings allow you to fine-tune your recipes. You can customize kneading and fermentation times for both bread and cakes. This flexibility opens up a world of possibilities, letting you experiment with new recipes and perfect your favorite creations. Moving on to the fourth best bread maker machine, we have the Cuisinart bread maker machine, which I rate as the best budget bread maker and the best bread machine for beginners. This Cuisinart bread maker is a game changer for home bakers. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you can easily whip up everything from basic white bread to gluten-free loaves and even jams. The compact vertical design is perfect for kitchens with limited counter space, while still producing generous 2-pound loaves. You'll appreciate the viewing window and interior light, which let you check on your bread's progress without opening the lid. The LED display is easy to read, and the 13-hour delay start timer means you can wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread every morning. The machine offers 3 crust shade options: light, medium, or dark, so you can customize your bread to your liking. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a breeze, and the non-stick coating ensures your loaves come out easily every time. One of the standout features is the power failure backup. If your power goes out mid-bake, the machine will remember where it left off and resume the cycle once power is restored. This means you won't waste ingredients or time if there's a brief interruption. The Cuisinart bread maker comes with a recipe book to get you started, but you can also experiment with your own creations. The bake-only option is great for when you want to mix the dough by hand but still use the machine for baking. With its stainless steel exterior and sleek design, this bread maker will look great in any kitchen while delivering consistently delicious results. Up next is the Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme Bread Maker, which earns the 4th spot on my list of the best bread machines thanks to its versatility and ease of use, making it a good bread maker for both beginners and advanced bakers alike. The Zojirushi Supreme Bread Maker offers you an impressive array of baking options. You can create traditional 2-pound loaves, cakes, jams, and even meatloaf with this versatile machine. The 10 pre-programmed settings give you the flexibility to experiment with different recipes and perfect your baking skills. You'll appreciate the convenience of the 13-hour delay timer. It allows you to set up your ingredients before bed and wake up to the aroma of freshly baked bread. The quick bake setting is another time saver, producing a loaf in about 2 hours when you're in a rush. The user-friendly LCD control panel makes operating this bread maker a breeze. You can easily select your desired program, crust shade, and loaf size with just a few button presses. The clear display keeps you informed about the baking process, so you always know what stage your bread is in. Cleaning up after baking is hassle-free thanks to the non-stick coating on the bread pan. Your loaves will slide out easily, and a quick wipe is all it takes to prepare the pan for your next baking adventure. This feature is especially handy if you plan to use your bread maker frequently. While the Zojirushi Supreme Bread Maker is on the larger side, its capacity allows you to bake substantial 2-pound loaves. This size is perfect for families, or if you enjoy having extra bread for sandwiches throughout the week. The black exterior gives it a sleek look that can complement various kitchen decors. Now, for the runner-up on my best bread machine list, we have the popular Breville Custom Loaf Maker. The Breville Custom Loaf Maker brings professional-grade bread-making capabilities to your kitchen. You'll love the automatic fruit and nut dispenser, which releases ingredients at just the right moment during the kneading phase. This ensures your add-ins are evenly distributed throughout the dough, giving you perfect results every time. One standout feature is the collapsible kneading paddle. It thoroughly mixes your ingredients, then cleverly collapses before the baking phase begins. This smart design minimizes the hole at the base of your loaf, resulting in more aesthetically pleasing bread with an improved texture. The smart LCD screen is a baker's dream, displaying 13 automatic settings, 3 crust colors, and 4 loaf sizes. You can easily select options for basic, whole wheat, gluten-free, crusty loaf, sweet yeast-free dough, and even jam. The progress indicator keeps you informed throughout the baking process, so you always know what stage your bread is in. With loaf sizes ranging from 1 pound to a family size 2.5 pounds, you can bake just the right amount for your needs. The Custom Loaf Maker also comes with 46 step-by-step recipes, giving you plenty of inspiration to start your bread making journey. You'll find options for various bread types, as well as custom recipe charts to help you create your own unique loaves. The stainless steel design not only looks sleek on your countertop, but also ensures durability. While it may take up more space in some compact models, the versatility and quality of the Breville Custom Loaf Maker make it a worthwhile investment for serious home bakers. You'll enjoy exploring its many features and experimenting with different recipes to create delicious, fresh bread tailored to your tastes. So, what is the best bread maker machine on the market today? All things considered, I'd have to say that the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker is the bread making machine available and also the best bread machine for sourdough. The Virtuoso Plus takes home baking to new heights with its innovative dual heating system. You'll get evenly browned crust every time, thanks to heating elements in both the bottom and lid. This feature ensures your loaves are perfectly cooked from top to bottom. Variety is the spice of life, and this bread maker delivers. You can explore a wide range of recipes with settings for multigrain, whole wheat, gluten-free, and even vegan breads. It's like having a personal bakery right in your kitchen. Pressed for time? No problem. The Rapid Course whips up a fresh loaf in just 2 hours and 25 minutes. You can have warm, homemade bread ready for dinner, even on busy weeknights. The large LCD display makes operation a breeze. You'll find it easy to select your desired course and customize settings to your liking. The viewing window lets you peek at your bread's progress without interrupting the baking cycle. Cleanup is a snap with the removable nonstick pan. You'll appreciate this feature after enjoying your freshly baked creations. The included measuring tools ensure accurate ingredient portions, helping you achieve consistent results every time. And there you have it, the best bread maker that money can buy. If you've got any more questions at all about buying a bread maker, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the meantime, if you found this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe so that I know to make more bread maker reviews like this one.